So now, after this introduction and the discussion of polar regions, we actually go on a voyage across the three oceans. We start in the Pacific Ocean, then go through the Indian Ocean and end up in the Atlantic Ocean. And what we do on this voyage is we discuss the key features that you find. We're not only talking about the water masses and structure like the deep ocean, we also talk about coastal upwelling systems, western boundary currents, and other features which are relevant. Okay? For example, for the Pacific Ocean, we talk about the warm pool, which is an extremely important feature because that's actually what drives the El Nino Southern Oscillation, which will also be discussed here. Indeed, the Oyashio and Kuroshio western boundary currents, the East Australian current, and I introduce you to the barrier layer and its formation. We talk about important coastal upwelling region, and again, if I just say upwelling, then it should click. You should get an idea, or you should become excited because there's some hotspots of biological production, okay, maybe also biological diversity. Then we talk about features of adjacencies. We look at, for example, the green belt and we look at features in the Sea of Okhotsk. We look at upwelling systems of Southeast Asian seas. Yeah, that's one. That's the biggest fishery hotspot on Earth. That's the South China Sea. Okay, all right. And then tutorial 3 is I introduce you to the control volume. It's a little bit awkward, that one, but I think it's important to learn. The control volume is, you imagine you have a box anywhere in the ocean, and you actually try to work out what comes in through all faces of your box. Again, this is what we call the control volume. It's an important concept to learn. Okay, so after this, we jump to the Indian Ocean.